little ducklings. This is Ms. Ducktoes from Ducktoes Computer Services. And we are so excited today because we are starting our first video vlog, which means
a video blog or a video podcast.
And my real name, of course, is not Ms. Ducktoes, is Kathy Dunkley Donnell. And I'm the owner and have been since 2005. I first named Ducktoes because I thought I was just going to do web design. It was far before SEO started, but I thought I was just going to do web design, so I picked a name that was a synonym for web feet, which is Ducktoes. And I'm not only owner, I also am an advanced SEO consultant and expert. And now I'll let my cohort introduce herself and tell us what she does at Ducktoes.
I'm Maria, and I'm an SEO specialist at Ducktoes. And SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So what that means to you is we focus on getting your website to the top of Google search results. We want you to stand out from the crowd and not to be lost in cyberspace. So that way, if someone Googles something that has to do with what your business might entail, then they're going to see your website right at the top of the results and click through to that website.
At Ducktoes, we have a really warm, friendly, and welcoming environment. And one of my strengths is that I love people, all kinds of people, and I'm really a warm, friendly, kind of nurturing person. And I think that has spread into Ducktoes.
Definitely.
And everybody that comes in, I think, feels that environment, and we enjoy our work every day and love to see all kinds of people. When I started Ducktoes, I loved people, always have loved people, all kinds of people, and I love computers, so it's a really good mix for me. And as a small business too, with our web design and search engine optimization, also our IT support, we're a small business, so
we understand the needs of small business. We understand how you pour your heart and soul into building your business and how important it is for that business to be recognized and to flourish.
And to make enough money to keep going every year. At Ducktoes, we fix computers, laptops, and electronic boards or control boards. And we were pretty much the only place in town that fixes boards, and we fix all kinds of boards, like Porsche automobile boards, tractor boards,
elevator boards,
Flowmaster brewery boards, washing machine boards, and other home appliance boards. We fix all kinds of boards.
But never ironing boards.
Because we don't like ironing. Life is too short to be ironing. And if you're ironing and your ironing board breaks,
that's good. That's for the best. Let it go.
It's time to let it go. It's a signal from the universe to get a life. So if your ironing board breaks, we'll just throw it in the trash. Give you a little boost.
Down in the basement, we have a computer electronic lab where our amazing techs use a variety of equipment to diagnose all sorts of issues that might have arisen in your computer or in circuit boards. They have high-tech tools like amazing microscopes, they have voltmeters, they have soldering irons. You break it, they will try their best to fix it.
You pour wine on your laptop or your tractor board gives up in the middle of harvesting.
And they will go through until they find that one capacitor that is broken, and they will fix that.
Or one dead spot. Or if you spilled wine on your laptop, often they can get it working like new again. Also, we do virus removals and fix software issues like corruption or installs that have gone wrong. Windows updates that don't work right. We we have software techs as well as hardware techs. We do virus, one thing that makes us different at Ductos is we do virus removal without reformatting. And it's a process I myself developed back when viruses were really prevalent. They're still prevalent now, but not to the same degree. So I learned very early that I did not want to do virus removal with just reformatting and taking the computers back to square one. Because I had like salesmen that were crying because they were losing their contacts, or people, young couples who they lost all their wedding photos with the virus. So what I do, and now what we all do, is remove the viruses without reformatting. We just take the viruses out, and then we fix registry problems and other issues that the virus has caused. And afterwards, after the virus removal, we speed it up, the laptop up or computer up, and then the computer usually runs faster than it did when you brought it in. Sometimes people say it's faster than when they bought it. So that sums up our first awesome video podcast. And at Ductos, you are always welcome. Please bring us any computer problems, laptop problems, bad boards, and we will do our best to fix it expertly and in a timely manner. We don't have like a 2-week queue for computer repair. Also, if you need any
work done on your website, web design, and any SEO work to bring that website to the top of Google rankings, then stop by and chat with us or give us a call or an email, and we're happy to take a peek at what you need done and to get you to the top of the Google ranking and to make your website look amazing.
And get more revenue and business for your company. So hope to see you in our next video podcast.